The objective of the project initially was to show that local government super, our owners of Marketplace Leichhardt, is a very sustainable operation, and we embraced solar energy as one of our key sustainability opportunities. Therefore, we've produced some carport structures on our rooftop where we've installed over 1,400 solar panels, and by doing this we were able to replace ageing shade sails, more effective shading and convenient parking for our rooftop, and at the same time utilise the technology to become a very green and sustainable shopping centre. And we've also been able to essentially reduce our reliance on the electricity grid. We've been able to produce just over 430 kilowatts of energy. We've reduced our carbon emissions by 516 tonne, which is equivalent to 110 cars the road, and we've been able to power the equivalent of 60 homes in the neighbourhood. We are very green in the inner west, and our customers have seen that we are also a very responsible member of the community and that we want to embrace sustainability. And by producing our own energy, this has been well received and well supported by the community in the Leichhardt area. Other future improvements of our solar panel is to do more projects to meet the needs of the shopping centre, and by doing this we'll be able to create an environment where our retailers can also utilise the power that the shopping centre is producing. It's a win for them, it's a win for us, and it's a win for our community here at Leichhardt.